Hello everyone and welcome to Hummingbird Fundamentals Build REST APIs in Swift. I will be your instructor, Mohammad Azam. Let's go ahead and take a look at the contents of this course. We're going to start by installing Hummingbird using the template provided on the Hummingbird official website. Next, you're going to learn about the route parameters and how route parameters can help you create much better routing system. Once we are comfortable with the route parameters and routing, we're going to jump into understanding that how we can use the MVC design pattern to structure our application. This structure is going to be used for implementing large-scale applications. You're also going to learn how to integrate database into your application. You're going to learn two different ways, one with raw SQL and the other one will be using object relational mapper Fluent, so that you get a better idea of which structure and which direction to use in your application. Next, we're going to cover relationships in database. You are going to learn how to create relationships between movie and reviews and how you can also fetch all the reviews for a particular movie. You're going to learn in both different ways using raw SQL as well as an ORM. Authentication is an important part of any application. You're also going to be learning how to implement JWT authentication with refresh token for your app. You're also going to be learning how to encrypt your passwords and also creating the middleware for easier authentication. And finally, you're going to learn how to deploy your application as a Docker container to the Railway platform. This means that your application as well as the database will be available publicly. I had a lot of fun creating this course and I really hope you enjoy. Thank you.